guys, today I will talk about how can you find sent invitations on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile here. So when you just click here on your photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on invitations here to connect. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then just click here on send here. So then here you will find the or sent invitations. I have here not sent any invitations yet, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.